This video covers step-by-step instructions for the replacement of the front brake pad and brake disc of the Hyundai i10 car. Step 1. Jack up the car. Make sure the tire doesn't touch the ground. Step 2. Remove the 4 mounting bolts on the wheel and then remove the front wheel. Step 3. Remove the guide rod bolt and pivot the caliper out of the way. Step 4. Remove the brake pads in the caliper assembly. Step 5. Remove the caliper mounting bolts and remove the front caliper assembly. Step 6. Remove the 2 disc holding screws and then remove the brake disc. Installation of the brake disc and brake pads is the reverse order of the removal process. Step 1. Fix the brake disc to the knuckle mounts. Step 2. Set the disc holding screws and tighten them. Step 3. Mount the caliper assembly with 2 caliper mounting bolts and tighten them. Step 4. Fix the new brake pads. Step 5. Slide the caliper piston assembly in caliper assembly. Step 6. Install the caliper assembly and tighten the guide rod bolts. Step 7. Tighten mounting bolts and fix the wheel.